Hello everyone, this is Spooky V. Welcome to another video, day 10 of my Halloween series. Well, today we are making some treat bag embellishments and they're going to be flat. As you've seen in yesterday's video, the embellishment book is getting very chunky, so we need something flat. So I picked up this die from Amazon, and here this person has a website as well. And so yeah, I liked it because of the jack-o'-lantern bag there, or bucket. I liked it. I thought it went with the 31 collection. So unfortunately, I didn't use it in this video. However, I may use it very soon. So these are all my pieces. I did prep everything prior. And I just want you to see the little treat bag. I did add some tulle picked up from Dollar Tree, and this is the tulle with glitter on it. So here are my pieces. I am running low on traditional color ephemera, and so what I did was I took my stickers and I stuck them to some cardstock, and I did stitch on them and cut them out. So here I'm showing you how I do that. I went ahead and stitched on these pieces here, and I also cut them out. Okay, so I'm liking the house on the left of the treat bag, and again, these are going to be flat, so these are perfect for flat mail or anything flat that you want to send off to your partners, or even put on some scrapbooks or journaling, and also October dailies. So I like the ghost on the right hand side and tilted to the left a little, and then I have the tombstone right underneath it. So I completely forgot to add some eyelash trim, so I did take that house off, added it, and glued it back on. And now for the ghost and the tombstone, those are going to get glued. Real quick, while I'm gluing that down, next Friday I will be joining Paper Sweets, Sofia, and Happy Mail Queen, Armin, for their collaboration, and hope to see you guys there. And then the series will continue next weekend as well. Very excited for that, so hope to see you there, you guys. Okay, so I'm just taking my time here, trying to figure out where the pieces are going to look best on, and just glue them on. And you just have to prep and make sure that all the pieces work well together and there's no gaps in between, and all the pieces are all just complementing each other. And so now I'm going to glue on the sentiment and also add some foam, and this is black foam from Hobby Lobby. I did need to add some foam on one side because of the where I'm going to lay this at. I'm going to lay it half on the ghost and on the tombstone, and then the rest on the house. So the ghost and the tombstone are a few layers higher than the house, so that's why I added some foam. Okay, adding the mouse and just adding some hot glue to one side, as the rest of the piece is going to be hanging off of the tombstone. So there it is. Later you'll see that I add more stuff to it. I thought it looked plain and it needed something just to bring, just to make the scenery come alive. So now for the pastel colors, and I'm using the Ghost ephemera piece and also some candy corn ephemera pieces and a wording. The wording is from the Hey Pumpkin collection. It is a sticker, and so I just added it to some cardstock and then added some stitching and cut it out. So this little ghost, I wanted it to have a broom. I also wanted it to have a hat, but I decided not to do that. I thought a little hat would look so cute. I think ghosts, little witch ghosts, are the cutest thing ever. So again, I almost forgot to add some of this eyelash trim. This is gold. You can find it at Hobby Lobby. And you just need a little piece about an inch in length. Gluing down the little ghost. Now time for the broom. And now the candy corn. The candy corn is an ephemera piece and not a chipboard piece. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but I'm just going to glue it on the broomstick. Now for the sentiment. The sentiment is also from the Hey Pumpkin collection. So I am mixing and matching. For instance, this little treat bag, the bag is the DCWV collection Halloween party, and then the ephemera pieces are from the 31 collection by Prima, and then the sentiment is from Hey Pumpkin by Crate Paper. So again, adding foam. This one I had to cover the little pail. I didn't want to cover the little pail, but there was nowhere else to put it, so it got covered and I really wanted it to show, but sometimes that happens and you just have to cover whatever you need to cover. Okay, real quick, I'm going to do the other two, and same thing as I did before, so everything's practically the same. Here are the pieces, and so now I did change up some stuff and decided that the other pieces needed something else. Okay, here's the last piece, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I added some stars, I added some hearts, and I thought it just brought the piece to life. And so I did back them with some black cardstock. Okay, here's the book right here, and time to add the piece. We're almost done here. Well, this concludes the video. I do have something going on Friday, so I will see you then. Let me know if you would like this series extended, because I do have so much more to finish in the embellishment book, and I don't think that I have enough time because next weekend is the last series, so it's the last time. I wanted to show you what I did. I wasn't happy with how these embellishments turned out, so I added some bats and I added some charms to all four of them. I was also thinking of adding some trim at the bottom, but I'm still not sure, so that may change later. Next weekend you will be able to see if I did change that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.